Welcome to Learn with Rensha, Learning English channel.
Hello, my name is Jake. I am 26 years old. I live in a small apartment. I like the sun, the sea, and ice cream. This weekend, I want to go to the beach. But I don't want to go alone. I want to invite my friend Pearl. She is funny and always brings snacks. I love snacks. Now I will call her.
Hello, Pearl speaking.
Hi, Pearl. It's Jake.
Jake, wow, you called. Are you okay? Are you alive?
Yes, I'm very alive. I want to go to the beach this Saturday. Want to come?
The beach. Do I get sunburn for free?
Yes, 100% free sunburn.
Okay, I'm in. What time?
9 a.m. We take a taxi.
Perfect. I will bring snacks, water, sunscreen, and maybe a very big hat.
Great. See you Saturday.
Bye, beach boy.
Bye, snack queen. Towel? Check. Sunglasses? Check. Sunscreen? Found it. Snacks. Only 2 bananas? Pearl will laugh at me. Who is it?
It's me. Open up. I bring snacks.
Whoa, Pearl, your hat is bigger than your head.
Yes, it's fashion.
That must be our taxi.
Let's go.
Good morning. Going to the beach? Yes, please. Nice hat, miss. Very large.
Thank you. It protects me from the sun. And it's fashion.
And from birds.
Yes, birds fear me now. Wow, look at the sea.
It's beautiful. And the sand is warm.
Let's put our things here.
Pearl, how many snacks did you bring?
Only the important things. Chips, cookies, fruit, water, 3 sandwiches, and this.
A whole watermelon?
Yes, I was hungry when I packed.
Ah! The water is cold.
Come on, don't scream like a baby penguin.
I am a baby penguin. Hey, not fair.
Wartime, water fight.
Ugh, something touched me.
Calm down, it's just a crab.
Just a crab. It wants my toes.
Your toes are safe, Jake. The crab does not want your banana-flavored toes.
I don't have banana-flavored toes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Jake, look. The sunset is beautiful.
Yes. The sky is orange and pink. Very nice.
I had so much fun today.
Me too. Even with the crab attack.
That crab liked you.
I don't want new crab friends.
Thanks for inviting me, Jake. Let's go again next time.
Yes, maybe next time we don't fight a crab.
Maybe next time you don't scream.
No promises.
Bye, Beach Boy.
Bye, Snack Queen. Wow, today was so much fun. The sun, the water, Pearl laughing. I needed this.